Hello, I'm Zahani. I will show you how to make spaghetti bolognese sauce. Ingredients: uh, 1 pack of spaghetti instant, 1 pack of sauce spaghetti instant, and 2 glasses of water. Step Step first, fill the pan with 2 glasses of water and put the pan on the stove. Right? When water boils, put the spaghetti and stir it. Next, when the spaghetti is being boiled, we grate the stuff. All of spaghetti must be covered with water. Boil for 7 minutes. Yes. Then drain spaghetti. If the spaghetti is dry, put in the plate. Matiin. Add the sauce spaghetti. Finish. The spaghetti is ready to be served. Thank you.